I am officially a Canvassador and they sent me a Canvassador gift box. Let's unbox it together. So just open the box here. Yeah, that's the box. And then we're going to remove this paper here. Okay, so we have a card here. Yeah, so it's a pretty card there. And then we have a cup. So this is the cup. So I chose gray, so there's other colors to choose from, but I liked gray. Let's see if it suits me. Yeah, so that is what I look like with my new Canva hat. Yeah, so not too bad. And then we have the next thing is a Canva journal. Yeah, so I really love to journal. I write a lot of my ideas on journals, so at least I have a new one. I can write all my ideas for Canva tutorial videos here. Yeah, that would be awesome. And then next, yeah, so that's the box. So next we have a t-shirt. So this is a t-shirt and it says Canvassador on it. So I chose black. Yeah, so that's the t-shirt. Yeah, so this will go well with, I think, the gray hat. Yeah, so that's for the clothing. And then next in the box, we still have things in the box. We have some pens. So it's 3 pens, yeah, and they all say Canva. So this would be awesome. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, so this is one of the pens. Yeah, and I love that it does that. It's I love to do that with my pens. It's really calming. That's the pen, and we have 2 more of them. And then last in the box we have some pins. Yeah, so I guess I could put the pins maybe on me, like if I have like another black shirt or a different colored shirt that doesn't necessarily say Canva on it, maybe I could put on the pins. Let me show you what they look like. Yeah, so this is the Canvassador pin. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And then this one says Canva. Yeah, so and the box is you know, finally empty. So I'm so excited. I'm so humbled to be sharing with you all these awesome Canva tips and tutorials, and the fact that I now have some swag that I can be able to adorn while I'm doing the same. Like it's totally awesome. So my name is Peris. I'm a Canvassador from Kenya. I share a lot of tips and tools that you can use for digital marketing, for content creation, as an online entrepreneur, all that kind of stuff. So ensure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.